Every time someone streams a movie, opens a mobile app, or visits a modern website, there is a good chance the request travels through servers owned by Amazon, not through its retail stores or warehouses, but through a massive digital infrastructure known as Amazon Web Services. What began as an internal tool for running an online store quietly became one of the most powerful technology platforms in the world. On the surface, Amazon is known for e-commerce. Customers browse products, place orders, and receive deliveries from a vast logistics network. But inside the company, engineers faced a different challenge during the early years of the internet. Running a large website required enormous computing infrastructure. Servers had to store product databases, process transactions, manage traffic spikes, and deliver pages quickly to users around the world. Building this infrastructure was expensive and complicated. Amazon solved the problem by designing its own internal cloud computing system. Instead of each team building separate servers, the company created shared infrastructure that developers could access on demand. Storage, computing power, and networking resources became modular services that software teams could use when needed. At first, this system existed only inside Amazon. But the company realized something important. Thousands of other companies faced the exact same challenge. Startups and software developers needed reliable computing infrastructure, yet building data centers required huge capital investment. Maintaining servers, networking equipment, and security systems demanded specialized expertise. Amazon saw an opportunity. Instead of selling physical products, it could rent computing power over the internet. This idea became Amazon Web Services, often called AWS. Through a web interface, developers could launch virtual servers, store data, run databases, and build applications without purchasing physical hardware. Instead of buying machines, companies paid only for the computing resources they used. This model changed the economics of building software. Startups could launch new products without building their own infrastructure. A small team could deploy applications to global servers within minutes. As user demand increased, computing capacity could scale automatically. Behind this simplicity sits enormous physical infrastructure. AWS operates vast data centers filled with servers, networking equipment, and storage systems. These facilities are distributed across geographic regions so that applications remain available even if one location experiences disruptions. Inside these buildings, thousands of servers process data every second. Cooling systems regulate temperatures, fiber networks move data between racks, and power systems ensure continuous operation. The facilities resemble industrial infrastructure more than traditional office buildings. But the real power of AWS lies in its service ecosystem. Over time, Amazon expanded beyond simple computing and storage. The platform now includes hundreds of specialized tools for developers. Databases manage large data sets. Machine learning services analyze patterns and predictions. Content delivery networks accelerate media streaming across continents. Security systems protect applications from cyber threats. Each service functions like a building block inside a larger digital architecture. Developers combine these components to build websites, mobile apps, video platforms, and enterprise systems. The platform becomes the foundation of modern software. Many companies that appear independent online actually run on top of AWS infrastructure. Streaming platforms, financial applications, and e-commerce startups often rely on these services to power their technology. This creates a powerful ecosystem. As more companies build products using AWS, the platform attracts additional developers. New tools and services expand the capabilities of the ecosystem, making it even more useful for future customers. Yet operating such a massive infrastructure system introduces challenges. Data centers consume significant electricity and require reliable energy systems. Security and reliability must remain extremely high because businesses depend on these platforms to run their operations. Competition also continues growing as other technology companies build their own cloud platforms. Even so, the core model remains influential. Instead of buying hardware, companies rent computing infrastructure. Instead of building data centers, developers launch applications through web dashboards. And instead of scaling servers manually, software systems expand automatically when demand grows. From the outside, Amazon still looks like a company selling books, electronics, and household goods online. But behind that store sits a second empire built from servers, fiber networks, and data centers, a digital infrastructure powering thousands of modern businesses. And that hidden system quietly became one of the most important foundations of the internet economy.